Hello viewers! The baked goods you have been eating lately get their fluffiness and sponge with a magical ingredient called as baking soda. As the name suggests, this ingredient is widely used for baking purposes. That's because it reacts with acids such as lemon or vinegar, generating air between the ingredients, and your baked food becomes a treat to eat. It is also known as sodium bicarbonate and is packed with antacids known to alkalize the acids. You will be surprised to know that it has more benefits and usage than just being used for baking your favorite recipes. Now, what if you don't have it at home? No worries, because you can get it from any grocery store near you. That too is quite inexpensive. So, without any delay, let us jump into the details and find out more about this magical ingredient. Number 1. Mouthwash. Yes, these white granules from your kitchen could be used to maintain your oral hygiene. Its powdery form reaches the corners of your teeth and gums. Using baking soda as a mouthwash freshens your breath. Its antibacterial and antimicrobial properties also maintain oral hygiene. Some studies have shown that washing your mouth with baking soda increases the pH level of saliva, which inhibits bacterial growth. So, replace your regular mouthwash with half teaspoon of baking soda mixed into half a glass of water. Swish it as usual and address the benefits in a matter of a few days. Other than this, you can use it as a tooth whitener as well. Add a small quantity to your regular toothpaste and brush your teeth as usual. If you can make it a habit, you will get rid of plaque easily. Number 2. Deodorant. Are you fed up with smelling your sweat? If yes, then hear this. To our surprise, human sweat doesn't have any smell. It is odorless. But when the bacteria starts taking overcharge, your sweat starts to smell. Apparently, they turn your sweats into acidic waste. This is when baking soda helps you out. Let us tell you that baking soda is a natural deodorant. It eliminates the acidic content from your sweat, giving you an odor-free experience. Do you want to try it? Pat some baking soda onto your armpits or mix it with coconut oil, shea butter, or cornstarch to get more benefits. Its benefits don't end here. Besides your armpits, it can deodorize your fridge as well. To neutralize the bad odor in your refrigerator, keep a cup filled with baking soda and let the smell go away. Number 3. Kitchen cleaner. This versatile kitchen ingredient can also be used to keep your kitchen clean and deodorized. The place where you cook is not safe from those harmful microorganisms, including mold or bacteria. They keep sneaking inside your kitchen as well. To get rid of those stubborn stains and dirt, mix baking soda with equal amounts of lemon juice and a few drops of water. With a sponge, apply it to the dirty surfaces and done! Your appliances are clean and shiny now. Number 4. Bathroom cleaner. When your kitchen is clean now, why not try it in the bathroom as well? After all, it is also a place that requires most of the cleaning. The surfaces and tiles are already too hard to clean and shine. But here comes your savior in the picture. It can easily clean tiles, toilets, showers, bathtubs, and sinks. For this, you'll have to make a paste of baking soda with water and apply this mixture to those areas with a sponge or a cloth. Number 5. Treats heartburn. Many times, you might have experienced a burning sensation in the upper region of your stomach, reaching toward your throat. Okay, so you have experienced heartburn, also known as acid reflux. Often after having large meals, carbonated beverages, or spicy food. But here's a solution to it. Baking soda is a perfect warrior to fight off acid reflux. Take a half teaspoon of baking soda with a glass of cold water and drink it gradually. Number 6. Enhances exercise performance. Surprisingly, having baking soda in your home can enhance your performance during workouts or exercise sessions. It helps you perform longer at your peak. The science behind it is, whenever you exercise, your muscles release the lactic acid that makes your muscles sore and tired. But baking soda maintains the level of pH inside your muscles, thus letting you perform more. In one study, it was found that cyclists who took baking soda exercised an average of 5 minutes more than those who didn't. Number 7. Soothes itchy skin and sunburns. Those painful and irritating bug bites and bee stings can be relieved by using this magical ingredient from your kitchen shelf. Additionally, it can also soothe that harsh sunburn left on your skin. To help you out with this, you can have a baking soda bath. Add half a cup of baking soda to a lukewarm bath and make sure to let it soak into your skin to get the desired results. And if not a baking soda bath, you can also apply a thick layer of its paste on the affected area. You can also mix it with cornstarch and oatmeal to get better results. As we are walking toward the end of this video, let us take this opportunity to realize that baking soda is a very versatile ingredient with its extended usage ahead of baking. Household staples, cleaning, deodorizing, treating heartburn, and soothing your skin, but there's more to it. Let us know if you would like to hear more of this from us. If you have any further queries, please write them down to us in the comments section.